A teacher wrote this expression on the board. What is the value of this expression? The first thing I always do is I rewrite it in my handwriting, make sure I copy it down exactly the way it shows so that I have more room to work. Okay. Next, I'm going to write out my PEMDAS. Okay. Do I have any parentheses? Yes, I have parentheses with the -6 and 2, but there's not an operation inside of those parentheses. I know that just means to multiply. But over here, I have -8 divided by 4. I do have an operation inside of those parentheses, so that's my first step. -8 divided by 4. I know if I am dividing numbers with opposite signs, so a negative and a positive, my answer is always negative. 8 divided by 4 is 2, so it makes my answer -2. Next, I'm going to bring down the rest of my expression just like it shows. I can mark this part out because I've already used it. -6 times 2 plus -2. I'm going to put that in parentheses just so it's easier to look at. Okay, so I don't have any more parentheses. I don't have any exponents. So now I need to multiply or divide from left to right. Okay, so right here I have -6 times 2. I know if I'm multiplying integers with different signs, my answer is always negative. So 6 times 2 is 12. They're opposite signs, so my answer is negative. I'm going to mark out what I used and add what is left. Let's see here. I multiplied. I don't have any division, so I can mark this out. Next is adding and subtracting from left to right. I have -12 plus -2. I know if I'm adding integers with the same sign, I simply add and keep my sign. 12 plus 2 is 14. They are negative, so I'm going to keep my sign. So my answer is -14.